Hey class, today I'm going to show you how to make an infographic using Piktochart. It's super easy and fun to use. First, you want to start off by clicking Start for free. Then you want to sign in, and I'm already signed in so it went super fast. And then you hit Infographic, and you could pick from a bunch of different infographic templates, or you could make your own. And we're going to pick the one that says Dark 2. Bring it up. And now it pretty much just gives you the rundown of what an infographic is and how to do it. And if you want to customize, just double click, delete the words that are already there. Let's put in info Ian's infographic. And for here, we'll put computer 204. There's my title, there's my subtitle. And then it's really fun because you could use a bunch of graphs, input your own data with the graph. Let's see, you want to change Facebook to 60, and then you hit update chart. And now you'll see that it went down. So it's a live graph. It's very fun, bunch of different graphs you could do, bunch of different colors. Really fun and simple to save it. Just click save. You want to rename it. Name it Ian's infographic and hit save. Save to your computer. Save it to a bunch of different spots. Do as many pages as you want, as little pages as you want. Easy to navigate, fun to use. Definitely recommend it.